Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 63TXJ Nissan Qashqai 360 DCI. The vehicle is metallic red finish and it comes with a 18-inch of Nissan alloy wheels. It's got a privacy glass and a roof rails, a reversing camera which I'm going to demonstrate for you shortly, and it's got a 360 view camera as well, split folding rear seats and a parcel shelf. And the front view of the vehicle is got front fogs and the front view camera. It's got cameras under the mirrors as well for the 360 view. It's got half leather and velour interior with white stitches on the sides, 5 headrests, ISOFIX for child seat preparation, a rear center armrest with some cup holders, and for your safety it's got front and side airbags. Very good size of a legroom, speakers on the rear doors. It's got electric windows and folding mirrors. Once you step in, as you can see, it's got a 6-speed manual transmission, some cup holders in the middle, the center armrest with some storage department, the auxiliary and USB slot are in there, and the center armrest is adjustable, by the way. It's got multifunctional steering wheel, cruise control, auto headlights, satellite navigation, and then there we have the 360 view camera in there, and this is the front facing camera. If I put on reverse, you can see now we see the reversing camera in there. It's got air conditioning with a doors on climate control, a fixed lovely panoramic roof with electric blinds, Bluetooth connectivity, AM/FM radio and a MP3 CD player. In the glove box we have the user manual, This was the video walk around of the 63TXJ Nissan Qashqai 360. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.